Is it really possible for a smartphone to be thinner and still pack in a larger battery? That's what many were asking when early leaks about the Samsung Galaxy S26 Edge's battery capacity started showing up online. At first, things looked promising. Some early reports claimed the upcoming device would have a 4,500 mAh battery, which would have been a big step up from last year's Galaxy S25 Edge. Then, a new leak popped up saying the battery would only be 4,200 mAh, followed by yet another source suggesting it might be 4,400 mAh. All this back and forth left a lot of users confused and uncertain, but now things seem to be clearing up. According to Universes, a well-known and often reliable tipster, the final number is 4,200 mAh. This matches what Galaxy Club had reported earlier, meaning their source was probably right all along. While some people might feel let down that the device won't be getting the rumored 4,500 mAh unit, it's important to remember that this is still a solid upgrade over the Galaxy S25 Edge, which came with a 3,900 mAh battery. That's an increase of 300 mAh, which can make a noticeable difference in daily usage like video playback, gaming, or using power-hungry apps. And the most interesting part, Samsung is doing this while making the phone even thinner. According to the same source, the Galaxy S26 Edge will be just 5.5 millimeters thin. That makes it 0.3 millimeters slimmer than the already sleek Galaxy S25 Edge, which came in at 5.8 millimeters. This is quite an achievement, considering that thinner phones usually come with the trade-off of smaller batteries. It looks like Samsung is working hard to push design boundaries while still delivering better battery performance. In addition to the battery and size, there are more details coming out about what the Galaxy S26 Edge might offer. According to rumors, the phone could be powered by different chipsets depending on the region. Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 in some countries and the Exynos 2600 in others. These are high-performance chips, which means you can expect smooth performance whether you're gaming, multitasking, or using demanding apps. The phone is also expected to support 45-watt fast charging, so even if the battery isn't as big as some people wanted, it should still charge quickly and be ready to go in no time. With all these features in mind, an upgraded 4,200 mAh battery, an even slimmer design, fast charging at 45 watt, and top-tier processors, the Galaxy S26 Edge is shaping up to be a strong flagship for Samsung. And if the rumors are true, we won't have to wait long to see it. The launch is expected to happen in January or February of 2026, which is just about 5 months away. Until then, we'll likely see even more leaks and details come out, giving us a fuller picture of what to expect. So, what do you think about the Galaxy S26 Edge? Are you impressed with the balance between battery size and slim design, or were you hoping for something more? Let us know what you think in the comments. And if you like this update and want more simple and clear tech news, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We've got more updates coming soon, so stay tuned.